Is membrane transport important for MCAT Biochem? If you are preparing for the medical college admission test, you might be wondering how important membrane transport is for the biochemistry section. Well, let's break it down. Membrane transport is a key concept that often appears on the exam. Understanding how substances move across cell membranes is essential for grasping many biological processes. Membrane transport involves the movement of molecules and ions across the cell membrane, which is primarily made of a phospholipid bilayer. This bilayer acts as a selective barrier, controlling what enters and exits the cell. This regulation is vital for maintaining balance within the cell and allowing it to function properly. There are several types of membrane transport that you should be familiar with for the MCAT. First, we have simple diffusion. This is when small, nonpolar molecules like oxygen and carbon dioxide pass directly through the lipid bilayer without needing energy. Next is facilitated diffusion, where larger or polar molecules, such as glucose, move through specific proteins called channels or carriers. This process also does not requiring energy. Then, we have primary active transport. This is when molecules move against their concentration gradient, using energy from adenosine triphosphate hydrolysis. A well-known example is the sodium-potassium ATPase pump, which is crucial for maintaining ion gradients that are necessary for nerve impulses and muscle contractions. Secondary active transport is another important mechanism. It uses the energy from ion gradients, established by primary active transport, to move other substances against their gradients. An example of this is the sodium-glucose cotransporter. Lastly, endocytosis and exocytosis are energy-dependent processes that transport large molecules or particles into or out of cells using vesicles. These processes are important for functions like neurotransmitter releases and immune responses. Membrane transport is not just a theoretical concept, it has real clinical significance. For instance, issues with glucose transporters can lead to diabetes, and problems with ion pumps can affect heart and nerve functions. From a medical school perspective, mastering membrane transport is essential. It helps you understand physiological processes like nutrient absorption, nerve conduction, and hormone signaling. Additionally, it lays the groundwork for pharmacology since many medications target transport proteins or relying on these mechanisms to enter cells. For effective MCAT preparation, focus on the types of membrane transport, their energy requirements, and examples of key transporters like sodium-potassium ATPase and glucose transporters. Understanding their physiological roles will not only help you on the exam but also in your future medical studies. This topic frequently appears in passage-based questions, so being able to apply your knowledge in various biological contexts is vital.